My name is Zainab.
My name is Alfia Zija.
Leopold Jai.
So today we are going to be talking to you about our final project, which deals with red light camera violations. For this project, we have 3 different operations. So this is what our data looks like. And we are interested in this data because we wanted to analyze how many people violate the red light within a day in Chicago. The data consists of intersection, the streets, the camera IDs, the number of violations, and the X and Y coordinates, and a group which we modified by ourselves. So for our first operation, we are going to be doing plot violation versus address. So for our plot violations versus address, the program is going to print out the total number of violations in our data set, the address with the maximum number of violations, which in this case is 500 North Columbus Street. The maximum violation of that address, which is 34, is going to print out the minimum violation in the whole data set, which is 1. And then it sums all the streets with the same minimum violation, and we have a total number of 41. And finally, for this, we plot a graph of the address versus the number of violations.
The second operation consists of entering the camera ID, and once you enter the camera ID, it will display the name of the intersection as well as the address, the number of violations that occurred at that street or at that intersection. And let's test it out. Pressing the second operation, we enter the camera ID 2422. So it shows that the address around that camera ID is 11,000. 1 minute, please. Is 11,100 South Halsted Street. The intersection is 111th and Halsted, and the one violation occurred at the intersection.
The last part of the last operation was by entering intersection from the keyboard, string from the keyboard. It will print out average violation of that intersection. For example, if we type in 63rd and State, it will print out what the average of number of average violation occur, which was 8. So how it does is we had 2 intersections at that particular place, so it sum up the number of violation and it will give us the average. That's pretty much what our project is.
Yay, that was our project.